Alright, so I decided to pick the program makeGuesses because it was the first one I was able to do on my own. The first step was to create the method header, and since this program was sort of just creating random numbers and doing stuff off that, it wasn't taking an input. I knew there had to be nothing in the parentheses, so I just made it public static void. The next step was, since it asked for numbers 1 through 50, I had to manipulate math random a bit. So since math random only produces decimals 0 through 1, multiplying it by 50 and casting it as an int will only give you numbers 0 through 49 since you're rounding down. So I added plus 1 to make sure I was getting 1 through 50. And then I also created a variable, an int variable guesses as a counter because you have to relay the number of guesses it took to get to a number greater than 48 at the end. I had my while loop, and since you're looking for a number that's greater than or equal to 48, obviously the loop had to be for less than 48. And then the first thing I did was I printed the guess equals and then whatever value r was assigned. Then I added 1 to guesses to keep the counter moving, and then the last step was to find another random integer. And with this random integer, if it was less than 48, you would repeat this step, whereas if it was greater than 48, you would move down here. And it'd be sort of the same process. You print R, add 1 to the guesses, but however, instead of going back up to the loop, at the end, then you just print the total number of guesses. So that was sort of the thought process I used to complete this problem.